So Kinder 2, what we're going to do for art class today is we are going to make a calm bottle. And this is the one that I made. I'm going to show you how to make. And what's great is when you're feeling angry or upset, you can just shake this or tip it upside down. And you get to watch the beautiful glitter move around. They're really fun to make. And you can do it whatever color, however you like. So I'm going to show you how to make it now. So to make our calm down bottle, we are going to need a bottle, a clear plastic bottle, some hand soap, some glitter, some little toys to put inside, and maybe some beads if you like. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is fill our bottle about 3/4, about up to here, with water. So here I'm going to go and do that. Once you have the water in your bottle, then the next thing is to put some of the things you want inside. So I'm going to put my beads inside. And then I'm going to put my two little toys inside. And then next I need to put my glitter. So the thing is, when you're putting glitter in here, we need to be very careful it doesn't spill everywhere. So I'm going to teach you very quickly how to make a funnel for your glitter. So for this, all you need is a piece of paper, and we're just going to cut this piece to the middle. Then we're going to bring like this and add some tape. So you can see here it makes a kind of cone shape, and then you just need to snip the end off. Some scissors to make a little hole, and then when you put it into your bottle, the glitter won't be falling everywhere. So first I'm going to go with my silver glitter. I'm actually going to cut my funnel a little bit smaller. So there's my funnel, and I'm just going to add the glitter. You can use as much glitter as you like. I like a lot of glitter. So I also have a pink glitter I'm going to put. And a white glitter. So there we have all my glitter in, and now the last thing we need to add is the hand soap. And you just need to fill the bottle with hand soap all the way to the top. I have a purple hand soap. You can use any color that you like. But you need to fill it so there's no space in the bottle for any air. Right to the very top. And then we need to put our lid. Now, this part is for mummies and daddies, and I think the best thing to do is to put some glue on the lid. Probably super glue is best, but the glue is so we can't open the lid. So I'm putting a little bit of glue in the top of the lid. This is just PVA glue. If you have super glue, that might be better. And then tie it on. And wipe off any excess. And here we have our calm bottle. So we need to mix it. Make sure the lid is on nice and tight. And then we need to mix it like this. You can see all the glitter whizzing around in there. And my little beads and toys. If you are having toys inside, I definitely recommend using a clear dish soap, because of hand soap, because you can see here we can't really see my toys because of the purple soap. You can feel them for sure. Also, I left a little bit of air bubbles in there, which I wish I hadn't, but it's okay. It still looks very cool, and it's really fun to watch the glitter moving around in the bottle. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed making your calm bottles, and I can't wait to see pictures of them when you're done.